going to jump straight into Redragon, which is a whole host of new products that we've got in over the last couple of days. And there is a lot of stock which we've just received. Many of you have been frustrated with the shortages over the last couple of months, and we are happy to report that there is a lot that has landed with us. We wanted to just take a couple of minutes and show you some of the new products that have come in and what we really like about them. So for many people, they think Redragon is an entry-level gaming brand, and that's really how they entered the market, offering tremendous value. And for those aspirational gamers that were just entering the market, it made sense because the brand offered a cost-effective solution with pretty okay quality. What we found in recent years is that they've just raised their game. And what was previously a very entry-level product range, or perceived to be a very entry-level product range, the quality and the product offering is just getting better and better and better. And really, today I wanted to show you some of the products that I personally think are phenomenal. Starting with the headsets, we've got two that I wanted to look at. The first is the Zeus 2. I think it's made with the ferrosex in mind, rose gold finishes and white. We've had a lot of demand for white peripherals, and this is some of the first stuff that's coming in. The build quality is magnificent. It's really, really great. Metal as well as fantastic ear cups. What makes this a fantastic offer, in my opinion, is the fact that everything is detachable. So your mic comes off, the audio interface is detachable as well, and it has all the interfaces that you want. So USB 3.5 and dual 3.5 means it's a very, very versatile headset, and I just think it's fantastic. So this is something I would definitely look at. For those who want a little bit better quality, the Helios is a really amazing solution. So it doesn't have the detachable cord, but it's a USB interface with a phenomenal equalizer. So if you want to be able to customize the audio to exactly what you need, you've got the control on the cord and very, very comfortable. I'm a big fan. They sit nicely. I can imagine you can play for hours without a worry. Also great build quality. Let me see if I can bring that forward and you can take a look at that. The metal is just finished and they just look refined. They're a lovely headset. Okay, then moving on to the keyboards. We've got a lot of keyboards that have come in. What we liked was some of the new units that have just arrived. So we've got two new 60 key keyboards. This is a wired version, the Dragonborn, a really, really lovely system. It's got only pink or purple lights. I don't know, my eyes aren't that good, but very, very nice solution. It has no arrow keys, no numpad, no F keys, so it's really just the bare essentials. Great solution for a mechanical offering. And if you want Bluetooth, this is a really, really great solution. This is the Draconic, also 60 keys with dual Bluetooth interface and RGB, the full RGB interface. So a really, really nice portable solution, nice and lightweight, and it just feels solid. On the notebook stand, we've just received the Ivy, which is a fantastic system. This is the Ivy notebook stand. It is a plastic build, but it feels quite solid. I've been using it for the last couple of days on my desk. Notebook sits beautifully, and it's got the RGB interface. I don't know if the camera can really see. So if you do want a little bit of color on your desk and you like a bit of RGB, it uses a USB power from your notebook, pass through, so you don't actually lose the ports, and you can use that USB port for everything else. But it also powers a really nice size fan with varying speeds. So it really does cool the notebook, and a great offering if you're looking for a notebook stand. And then before I move on to Craig, there are three mice that I want to share with you, which are really great. The first is the Storm Elite. It's a great offering for people who want a first-person shooter, lightweight. It's got a honeycomb finish. Let me see if I can bring that forward. Super lightweight, really beautiful design, and just fits nicely in the hand. So a lovely solution for a wired mouse. Then looking at the Impact Elite. This is a cool solution for those of you who are into MMO. It's a really nice size mouse. It fits beautifully in the hand and has the RGB as well as tons of different programmable buttons. So any kind of programming you want to do, you can basically boil a kettle if you can wire it into the smart system, and we'll get to more of that over the next couple of days with one of our other brands. My personal favorite is the Vampire Elite. It's kind of a combination of both. And I could use this mouse every single day. It's really comfortable, fits lovely, beautifully in the hand. It is also wireless and has 3 programmable buttons on the side. It's really an all-rounder mouse, something beautiful and highly recommended. I think this is going to be my next mouse.